Welcome to my channel, Glow Up English. Today, we continue practicing English at the airport. We'll learn how to speak confidently when boarding a plane. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video. Give it a like. And turn on notifications so you won't miss new lessons. You arrive at Gate 12. People are waiting in line. Your flight to Paris will board soon. Officer announcement. Welcome to Gate 12. Boarding for Flight 247 to Paris will begin shortly. You thinking aloud. I hope I'm ready. Let's check my boarding pass. Shadow naturally. You, excuse me, when does boarding start? Officer, boarding starts at 7:30 p.m. You arrive at the gate. You arrive at the gate. You check the screen. Your flight is boarding soon. You, excuse me, is this the gate for Flight 247? Staff, yes, this is Gate 12. You, thank you. Asking about boarding time. You, what time does boarding start? Staff, boarding starts at 7:30 p.m. You, okay, thank you. Repeat again. You, what time does boarding start? Staff, boarding starts at 7:30 p.m. You, okay, thank you. Boarding is delayed. You look at the screen. It says delayed. You, is the flight delayed? Staff, yes, boarding is delayed by 20 minutes. You, I understand, thank you. Repeat naturally. You, is the flight delayed? Staff, yes, boarding is delayed by 20 minutes. You, I understand, thank you. You hear an announcement. Passengers for Flight 247 to Paris. Boarding has started. Please proceed to Gate 12. You, that's my flight. I'm going to the gate now. Repeat slowly. Repeat again at normal speed. Showing your boarding pass. Staff, may I see your boarding pass? You, yes, here it is. Staff, thank you. You may board now. You, thank you. Have a nice day. Repeat with confidence. Staff, may I see your boarding pass? You, yes, here it is. Staff, thank you. You may board now. You, thank you. Have a nice day. Repeat with confidence. Staff, may I see your boarding pass? You, yes, here it is. Staff, thank you. You may board now. You, thank you. Have a nice day. Staff, are you traveling alone? You, yes, I am. Staff, is this your first time in France? You, yes, it is. I'm excited. Change answer. No, I've been there before. Repeat again. Are you traveling alone? Yes, I am. Is this your first time in France? Yes, it is. I'm excited. No, I've been there before. Say these sentences clearly. Boarding has started. Please proceed to the gate. This is the final boarding call. I'm ready to board. My gate number is 12. Slow right arrow, normal right arrow, slightly faster. Boarding has started. Please proceed to the gate. This is the final boarding call. I'm ready to board. My gate number is 12. You are standing in line. It's your turn. Staff, welcome. You, hello, staff. You may board now. You, thank you. Say it clearly. I can speak English at the airport. I understand boarding announcements. I feel confident. I am ready for my flight. I can speak English at the airport. I understand boarding announcements. I feel confident. I am ready for my flight. A, excuse me, could you help me? B, of course. What do you need? A, I am looking for the information desk. B, it is right around the corner. Repeat, excuse me, could you help me? I am looking for the information desk. Thank you very much. A, hi, can I get a coffee, please? B, sure. What size would you like? A medium coffee, please. B, anything else? A, no, that's all. Thank you. Repeat, can I get a coffee, please? A medium coffee, please. That's all, thank you. A, how long do we have to wait? B, about 30 minutes. That's not too bad. B, yes, boarding will start soon. Repeat, how long do we have to wait? About 30 minutes. Boarding will start soon. A, where are you traveling today? B, I am going to Canada. That sounds exciting. B, yes, I am very excited. Repeat, where are you traveling today? I am going to Canada. That sounds exciting. Repeat, where are you traveling today? I am going to Canada. That sounds exciting. A, how long is your trip? B, I will stay for 2 weeks. A, that's great. B, yes, I want to explore the city. Repeat, how long is your trip? I will stay for 2 weeks. I want to explore the city. A, is the seat taken? B, no, you can sit here. A, thank you. B, you're welcome. Repeat, is the seat taken? No, you can sit here, thank you. A, would you like something to drink? B, yes, I would like some water. A, here you go. B, thank you very much. Repeat, would you like something to drink? I would like some water. Thank you very much. A, do you like traveling? B, yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite country? B, I really like Italy. Repeat, do you like traveling? I love traveling. What is your favorite country? A, that was a long flight. B, yes, but it was comfortable. I am glad we arrived safely. B, me too. Repeat, that was a long flight. It was comfortable. I am glad we arrived safely. A, did you enjoy the trip? B, yes, it was amazing. I learned many new things. B, traveling is always a great experience. Did you like the food? Yes, it was delicious. I want to come here again. This restaurant is really good. Repeat, did you like the food? It was delicious. This restaurant is really good.